Hi guys, it's Erica here and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you about a new delivery service app or company that I just started with on December 30th of 2021. But before I jump into that, go ahead and like this video and also subscribe to my channel if you enjoy hearing videos or seeing videos rather about making extra income, working from home, or just making passive income and learning about different resources. All right, so I'm just going to jump into the video here. So as you see right here, the company that I joined with is called GoPuff. And for many of you who don't know about GoPuff, it's basically a delivery service where you can have different items delivered. So as you see flashing on the screen here, you're seeing like dog bones and mouthwash and bread and toothpaste and toothbrushes. So you can have different essential items delivered to your home. So it's almost like Uber Eats, but where it's other essential items. Essential items except for just restaurant or hot food type situations. So I'm just gonna scroll a little bit through their website just to get you familiarized with GoPuff. So as you see right here, if you are on the customer side, you'll come to this website and then you'll enter in your delivery address and then you can continue with shopping for the items that you need. As they say right here, they have thousands of items from cleaning supplies and over-the-counter medicine to food, drinks, electronics, baby essentials, and more. So it's all types of things that you can have delivered. They say that most deliveries occur within 30 minutes, and then the delivery fee is only $1.95, or they have an unlimited delivery program that you can also join. Now, I haven't ordered from GoPuff to have things delivered to me because I don't believe that they are available to deliver to me in my area, but I did sign up for to deliver items to other people. So this right here, if you're interested in becoming a driver partner, you would just come to this section and this is where you would apply to be a partner. So now I'm just going to go into a little bit of my experience with GoPuff as a driver. So it took me about maybe like a day to just fully, for sign up and to do the orientation to get things, really going. They do a background check. You have to enter in. What do you have to enter in? I believe they, validate your license and things like that. So it's a standard like application process, almost like Uber. But when you first start with GoPuff, the good thing about GoPuff, it is everything that they have is in one place. So you know how like with Uber Eats or DoorDash, you're going from restaurant to restaurant to restaurant and then to deliver to the customer. Well, with GoPuff, you're going to one facility. So when you sign up with GoPuff, they'll have you select the closest city that you would like to deliver to, and from there, that's the facility that you'll go to pick up all the items that the customers order. So I do like that about GoPuff because you're picking up from one place. I also like from GoPuff that you keep 100% of your tips, and it does seem like customers a little bit tend to tip more. I know you can get tipped through Uber. I was an Uber driver for passengers when I first started, and then I just started to do the food deliveries. But I do notice that I feel like with GoPuff, customers tend to tip a little bit more than Uber. And the thing with GoPuff is you get a base pay for starting. So when you go to the facility, first of all, when you sign into the app, they'll have you select the time that you want to start. So they'll have a list of times that are available for you to, start the day. So for example, on the 30th, for my first day, when I started, I signed up for I believe all of their time slots is like almost like 4 hours, so it's like 3 hours and 50 minutes. So when I signed up, for that time slot, you go to the facility, at that time, and then you'll start, you're basically going online, and then you're sitting in your car, to wait for a delivery. And once, you get a delivery through the app, you'll go inside the facility and pick up your items from the shelves. They have these little shelves that you can pick up the items from, and then you'll go and deliver the items to your customer. Now, what I did also notice about this is deliveries are within close proximity to the facility. So, like, it did take me a minute to get one delivery. So you are like just kind of like sitting waiting in your car at the facility until you get a delivery. But once you do get a delivery, it's pretty much within close proximity to the facility. I think the furthest I went out is about 13 minutes, so not bad at all. Well, with this, you also get weekly rewards. So depending on how many deliveries you get, you can get extra money, based on that. What else about it? Yeah, so I mean, I pretty much think it's cool. The only cons that I have about GoPuff is that you do have to be at the facility to actually get started. Whereas, with Uber, you can kind of sit in your house. I know I used to sit in my house because I don't like wasting gas. So I would just sit in my house and wait for, my thing to go off. And then that's when I would leave, and, you continue to get the deliveries from there. That's one con. Another con of it is you definitely have to schedule your start and stop time. Whereas with Uber, you can just automatically go on. And it's definitely, like I said, it's the wait. You'll definitely have to wait for a delivery. So basically, when you get a delivery, you'll go in, grab the delivery, and then deliver it to the customer, and then you have to return the facility. So it's kind of like a back and forth situation. Another con is that you can't cash out right away, but you do get paid every week. And then, basically your day is pretty much tied up again because you are just, sitting and waiting, and you really can't leave the area of the facility because then you won't get rides because it knows that you are there to accept orders. So those are all the cons. But other than that, I do really like that, the pickup is all in one place. I definitely like that. I like that the distances aren't far, because I know sometimes driving with Uber, you could pick up on one side of town and then you have to drop off on way over on the other side of town, and you might not get a good pay, depending on the base rate and then how much people tip. Other than that, it went well. I'm definitely going to try it out again, just to see how much exactly I can earn from it. But if you're interested in just having another source of income, and if you have some spare time during your day, and we have internet on our phones, so if you want to sign up and then just sit and, be on your phone, maybe doing other work, then, that's kind of like a win-win situation. But I really hope that you liked this video. If you did, give it a like, and again, subscribe to my channel if you would like to hear more about, ways to earn extra money and just different things like that. All right, so I will see you in the next video.